Now, everyone who used to trade in cryptocurrencies or were planning to start, it's a big news for them as the Indian Supreme Court has lifted the RBI ban on cryptocurrency. RBI is the Reserve Bank of India, which pretty much controls the issue and supply of Indian rupees. This is a huge news as of right now because cryptocurrency was pretty much banned and not legal in India. Now, real quick, if you're new to this channel, just want to let you know what this channel is about. This channel intends to provide a financial knowledge to today's youth, whether it's in terms of basic investing strategies or how to manage your expenses so that you can avoid getting into big debts at an early stage in your career. So if it's your very first time here in this channel and you think this channel can add value, then definitely start subscribing so you don't miss anything out. So with that said, let's get into it. Now for those of you who have heard the word cryptocurrency but have no clue about it, it's basically a digital currency built with protocols that make transactions secure and difficult to fake. So it's basically a virtual currency. You all have heard of Bitcoin. It's again a cryptocurrency which was valued around $13 in early 2013, but towards 2017 saw a huge surge and went all the way up to $20,000. So it's not a physical currency which you can hold or touch like your rupees or dollars. The pictures that you see online, they are just for representation purposes. These are not the actual coins, so don't get confused about that. The most important feature of cryptocurrency is that it is not controlled by any central authority. So it doesn't have an owner, neither an agency that can actually control it. Now on April 6, 2018, the Reserve Bank of India had banned cryptocurrency trading in India. At the time, RBI said that the move was quite necessary to actually control the financial system of the country. There were multiple reasons why the RBI actually took this step. Their main argument was that the Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies cannot be treated as currency as they are not made of metal or exist in a physical form, nor were they stamped by the government. So basically something like a dollar or a rupee has the government signature on it. It's a guarantee from the government of the country, but crypto has no authority. Second major reason was that the crypto transactions are completely anonymous. So the RBI wanted to ban crypto in order to protect investors and banks from frauds. Because the transactions are completely anonymous, therefore it is difficult to track the sources of money as well. When you transfer money via bank, there's always a trail which can actually be tracked. Another reason being that the cryptocurrencies have no true value as they are not backed by assets. Currently, there is no government or Reserve Bank of India which guides any proper rules around the cryptocurrencies. Also, the public doesn't have much knowledge on the cryptocurrency right now. It is highly possible that there will be a lot of Ponzi schemes who can just scam you. Considering the transactions are anonymous and are non-refundable, you can actually end up losing a big amount of money. In December 2017, the finance minister said that the virtual currencies are neither currencies nor coins as they are not authorized by the RBI and the government as a medium of exchange. They do not have any protection in India. The prices of Bitcoin and other virtual currencies therefore are a matter of entire speculation. When people are asked about cryptocurrency, only thing people know is that the Bitcoin has gone up tremendously in value. So the consumer getting cheated is very high and the government just wants to avoid this. Now the Indian Supreme Court on 4th of Wednesday 2020, that is this week itself, actually has overturned the central bank's 2-year-old ban on cryptocurrency trading in the country. The uplifting of the ban by the Supreme Court is going to open new opportunities for India in terms of investments, economy and market as a whole. Many investors have said that crypto has the potential to unlock India's dream of becoming a $5 trillion economy. So now considering it's official, now you can basically trade crypto without any worry. Multiple exchanges will take further steps as well to incorporate crypto. Also, everyone who has previously invested in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin or any other virtual currencies, for them also it's a great news as they can legally trade on this and sell it as well. And definitely due to this big news, you never know, the prices might surge again. Also, more and more people are getting aware of cryptocurrencies and the impact it can actually have on the economy. So whether you want to send a currency from Mumbai to Agra or from Mumbai to London, it can be done at a lightning speed. It can actually be transferred in nanoseconds. End of the day, India is a cash-based economy. 78% of the transactions happening in India happen with cash. So people definitely need to be educated on this aspect before even getting into digital or virtual currencies. The most fundamental use of cryptocurrency is that it makes it easier to conduct any transactions. These transfers can be done with minimal processing fees, allowing the customers to avoid any high charges which your normal banks actually charge. This was a major reason cryptocurrencies actually came into picture. They wanted to remove the mediator during transactions. It's like when you're doing an online transaction, what does a bank do? It acts like a mediator. So the bank, along with the government, controls your currency. But because in cryptocurrency there is no mediator, so to whoever you're transferring the money to, all the transactions happen between those two people. Now, India is almost as big as China. This new law would potentially open a large market for Bitcoin buyers. So with that said, you guys, thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you did take away a few points from this video, I would really appreciate if you smash that like button and subscribe as well. So with that said, see you all in the next video.